Hi guys, this is Akeza. I'm back again with another video. In today's video guys, I tried these mini braids. So before you get to the video guys, just let me know how you rate these hairstyles, the ones that I did, because I did like five like five styles, so that guys I won't get bored. I won't get bored with these mini braids. So just let me know in the comment section, what do you think, how do you rate them? What do you think guys? Just say something in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate it. It will mean a lot to me. Please, to all those who are new, welcome to the family, welcome to my channel. Hope you guys will stay. I hope you enjoy like my videos. To all my day one guys, without you I don't know what see kube nguphi. But anyway, I really appreciate your support. I really appreciate showing your girls some love. It means a lot guys. So yeah, I'm so grateful. So in today's video, I did that mini braid guys. It's trending. I saw it on YouTube, and then I remember I saw it on TikTok again. It's a trending hairstyle. Like it does grow your hair like crazy. It does grow your hair like crazy guys, as you can see here. On top, that's my 3 weeks growth. Neighbor, on top, that's my 3 weeks on top, and then below I just renewed my mini braids. So I saw it on TikTok, I saw it on YouTube. It was 3 weeks back. Yeah, 3 weeks back. And then I was like, I decided just to do it. I was like, let me just give it a try, because my hair, sometimes it does stress me and it doesn't want to grow the way I want it to grow. So I was like, let me just give it a try. Then I did it 3 weeks ago, and then unfortunately I didn't videoize. I didn't take a video of me doing that hairstyle before. But like today I'm renewing what I did 3 weeks ago. So this length, which I'll show you guys. Yes, the video is going. I'll show you the length. It's only for 3 weeks. Just imagine, I see other people, they're staying with these mini braids for like 6 weeks, like 10 weeks. Some people, they stay long guys. They really stay long with these mini braids. And if you check the hair growth guys, yo you never go wrong with these mini braids. You never go wrong. So me now, what I do now, for the past 2 weeks, I was just styling them. Today I style like this, tomorrow I change, so that I won't get bored. So in case if someone is asking how you copy with only one hairstyle, no, I was changing. I was changing the hairstyles. Today I do the updo, tomorrow I'll do like this, so that I won't get bored. And then the third week, because remember, that's my hair. I didn't put hairpiece. That's my hair. So on the third week, it will start showing like it's ugly. It's now old, Cause remember, you'll be spraying, putting oil on your hair, so your hair won't look neat. Again on the third week. So what I did is, you could see, I started wearing my wigs on top. The third week I was wearing wigs when I was going to work on top of these mini braids, so that I won't stress, I won't bother them. I was like, I want to see. So I gave myself the 3 weeks challenge. Yeah, I gave myself 3 weeks challenge on these mini braids. I wanted to see, is this for real, or they're just saying it does grow hair, blah blah. So anyway, I did it. I give it a try, and guys, I'm telling you, you never go wrong with these mini braids. It's for real. It's for real. Number two, what I can say, it's a good protective hairstyle, guys. Very good protective hairstyle. Because just imagine, I will plait the way I'm plaiting like this then, and then I'll just stay. If I decide it's 3 weeks, it's 3 weeks. If I decide 6 weeks, it's 6 weeks. And just imagine that period of time, I'm not stressing my hair, I'm not doing anything. It's like I'm just giving my hair a break. So that's why I believe that's why your hair will grow like massive, that you grow like crazy, because you're not disturbing your hair. You're just letting your hair like you shower more. You're just letting it be, like you're just giving it a break. I'm sure that's why it does work the way it does. So I guess I believe this one is the best protective hairstyle that someone can do, because you can even put your wigs on top. You can wear your wigs if you are going out. When it's old, you can go outside, put a wig on top. It's easy to wash. You can wash it. You can shampoo. You can put your oil. You can put, like, it's easy to maintain, guys. It's very easy to maintain on the same side. Now you are stress free, because guys, hair, to do hair, guys, is stress, but I like it. I love it, guys. It's the best. Just give it a try. It is the best. Number 3, what I did was like I used to apply I do apply this Jamaican oil. You see it at the end of the video. I showed it just a little. You see it. I use that Jamaican oil, and then I use amla oil, and then I use which one is that one? I use that avocado hair food. Yes, those are the things that I use. And then once or twice in a week, I spray my clove and dry rosemary and fenugreek seed water. I have just a small bottle where I soaked my fenugreek, and then I soaked my clove, I soaked my dry rosemary in that small container of water. So that water is the one that I use once or twice in a week, just to spray my hair, so that my hair will grow, guys. So those are the things that I use: the water and the Jamaican oil and amla oil and avocado hair food. Those things are the things that I used on my hair. That the things that I use like now. Those are the things that I'm using for my hair to grow. Yeah. What I can say is that just give it a try. You won't go wrong. You never go wrong. It took me only one day to do this, while I was sitting on the couch watching a movie, so that I won't get tired. Then it took me like the whole day. That's me. I was done here, guys. You see, I was done doing my hair. That's the oil that I use, that black Jamaican oil. If you have reached this far, guys, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, leave a comment section and just like my video, guys. I really appreciate it, because yeah, that's what I did on my mini braids. I hope you enjoyed my video, guys. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. See you again on my next video. Bye. Love you.